it's Rosy Hernandez back at it again. I'm with my daughter, no I'm just kidding. I'm with my mom here and I'm gonna teach her how to curl her hair with a wand. Some advice I have is like if you're gonna get a wand, make sure you get one like this so it's like you could hold on to it so you won't burn yourself. The first step, you know what, I'm gonna put my hair up too because it's like hot in here, so it's like you have to put your hair.
Oh, put my hair up?
Yes. Okay. Because you see, nobody got time to do it down. Oh, I have a trick. Sorry, I forgot to tell the whole world. So you have to do like a high ponytail, okay? Because if, you know, when you go to school, I only have like 30-20 minutes to do my hair. So doing it in a ponytail is easier and it's faster and it looks just as good. There you go. I usually tie it like when I'm down there, you know. Second step is you have to part your hair. So this thing, you want to use this like little thing right here so you get the whole thing like that so you don't get the hair mixed. I'll just do one piece. It's like, okay, so you see this? You gotta go like this. You put it under like that.
Okay, so you go over. So you
you go over. Yeah, you put it
wand.
over the wand, and you just hold it, and then you just let go.
So we'll put it over.
Yes.
I just wanna feel your touch, not anything more. Take it all, everything that I own.
And then just let go.
All that you know.
Ooh.
Be my high, be my lover for life.
Do I have to count the seconds?
I don't really count.
We can do it so well.
And like I don't put hairspray or anything after, cause it literally like lasts. Yeah, it's like.
Because with the curling iron, it doesn't last that long.
Yeah, like literally. Did you say? I literally just said.
Back to my home.
I'm doing pretty good.
Thank you.
And face it like this way. It's like, yeah, so it'll be like nicer and it will like.
Yeah, baby, I just
Oh, and the good thing is like you can brush your hair out and it'll still be there.
Wow, this is quick. I'm like almost done with this.
Yeah, see, that's why it's good to put your hair up. I saved you guys' lives.
can I say I don't
Oh, so now you hold it with that?
Woo!
That was quick, guys.
So this way, you know how I went like this, right? You go like under.
You go over.
No, this is
yeah,
over.
under.
Yeah.
All right.
So you go under and you go like that.
Oh.
And then you
Dressing, Mercedes Benzing, argument. Come shining.
This is actually super quick and easy, and I'm glad that I'm learning to do it this way.
we'll come back when she's like done.
Okay, so I finished curling all of it.
What the heck? Why the heck would you leave this in here?
You left it in there. Ow, 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 ow. I'm freaking I feel like I'm messing it up. I'm not messing it up.
No, that one time.
Ah! Ow! Ow! Do it for the video.
We're not perfect, but that don't mean
You're like crying.
work it out like
Okay, so now what? I don't know if this
Okay,
turned
put
out
it down,
the way-
put it down.
I don't wanna be.
It's cute.
No.
No, that's this is why I said you're still gonna need it.
Okay.
Because like right here you have to do the front part.
Oh, okay.
Okay, part it through the middle.
Like in the middle?
Yeah, because you could always turn it or do it, you know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Like this?
I'll be
Yes.
your man. I need you, baby. You need a friend.
Downward, remember?
I just wanna know, do you want somebody who knows you are worth it all? I'll be right beside you. I don't want to weigh you down.
Okay, then there, because you don't have to do the whole other thing again.
Okay.
So now you gotta do like this other side.
Like,
Even love, and I
remember guys, one side goes the other way.
The right side is over, the left side is under.
I'll give nothing but the best to you. Cause you possess that thing that drives me insane.
There, right?
There we go.
You can be my best friend. Don't keep me guessing.
And then you wanna bring it up.
Ah, the shit, baby. You all the bombs.
So this is the final look right here. I really like it. I'll be using this hairstyle once in a while.
Give it a like,
Give it a thumbs up.
subscribe if you're new, and click the post notifications.
And also make sure that you're following me on Instagram, guys, because I want to stay in touch with you guys, okay? And I post there way more often than I post here.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day.
Besitos!
Only really means you know. It means this won't last forever. Don't let it break your heart.